show the diskette to them?
Actually, Your Honor, may I make a manifestation, Your Honor?
Yes.
On February 14, Your Honor, during the pre-marking of exhibits, this compact disc was actually shown to the other counsel, Your Honor. I have the transcript right here. And this
yun
was
pala eh.
Yeah, but was there any stipulation relative to what it is?
yes, Your Honor, but
It was shown and it was marked. That is all what the proceedings will show.
And-
We may be going too far, which is beyond what you are asking us to do.
in that case, Your Honor, if they will argue on the authenticity of the compact disc, we will be forced to present the head librarian of ABS-CBN to actually explain how the SF card became a compact disc.
Not that we are disputing what you are trying to claim now, but what we are telling the Honorable Court is that we are not in a position to enter into any stipulation relative to the authenticity of that diskette. Is that beyond our capability, being the defense of the Chief Justice Corona? Or you would like us to just admit whatever you want us to admit? I'm sorry, Your Honor, I should have addressed it to the court, Your Honor. I wanted to accommodate as what the court will notice before. When we are in a position to admit, they are merely asking for a stipulation. We already admit, Your Honor, just to cut short the proceedings, Your Honor. We are sorry that we have gone this far in our attempt to at least make the proceedings entirely conformable to what is known as due process, Your Honor. We never had waived any of our rights, Your Honor.
If they will not stipulate as the authenticity of the compact disc, Your Honor, we will then present the head librarian of ABS-CBN.
Do you have the head librarian here?
Yes, Your Honor, we have her here.
Then bring her.
We have no more questions, Your Honor, to the cameraman.
Do you have any cross on this witness? Or are you going to postpone the cross until you start with the cross of the
I wanted to start, Your Honor, just to show our cooperation to the Honorable Court, Your Honor. But definitely we are not in a position to conduct any intelligible cross-examination. We were not privy to the direct examination. May we humbly request, Your Honor?
They did not, they only asked whether he took this video. That's all. All that the witness said, I took this video on this day, between these these hours, and it involves the former president. And thus he knew the former president.
We will still, with your apologies, Your Honor, and with the indulgence of this Honorable Court, we will still plead that we be allowed to go over the direct examination of the witness.
So you want to postpone your cross on this witness?
Yes, Your Honor, even by tomorrow, if there'll be no more atrocious
What is the pressure of the prosecution?
Your Honor, may we ask our lead prosecutor for Article 7 to express his concern?
Yes.
Actually, Your Honor, nagpumayag kami sa proposal ng depensa kanina na hintayin ang defense counsel. Tapos later on, i-direct na lang muna ang witness at subject to cross pagdating. Kasi po gusto naman po naming bilisan. Ayaw na po naming humaba pa ang mga testimony po. Simple lang po talagang testimony ng cameraman po eh. Akong kumuha niyan. Ngayon, actually, public knowledge na halos to ang sa airport po eh. Kaya nagulat kami na pati yung authenticity, magpresenta pa kami ng additional witness. So, para sa amin po, kung maaari lang po, siguro, mag-recess ng 5 minutes, tingnan po ng defense counsel, yung transcript, iksi lang naman po ang yung direct ng aming counsel. So,
anyway,
if you can cross na ngayon po, para hindi na
Para
mapostpone.
hindi na matatagal pa, I will suspend the cross-examination. Proceed with your next witness.
Well, thank you, Your Honor. The next witness is the next part is the continuation of the cross.
The witness is ordered to stay. Doon sa bumaba ka sa witness stand at huwag kang alis.
Opo, yung continuation na po ng cross na ni-request ng defense counsel po kahapon, ang naka-pending po ngayon.
Ipasok na ninyo yung librarian ninyo para matapos itong issue
Yung librarian po, sige po. We would like
para
to...
hindi putol-putol ito.
Opo, sige po. Attorney Alpareño for the...
Ebidensya. Call the librarian.
May we ask Ms. Rochelle Inoncilio Mendez to please come to the witness stand.
If that lady is not available yet, Your Honor, may I be permitted to continue with my cross-examination of the previous
No,
witness who
it's
had taken
better,
the stand?
Counsel, for us to finish this and while it's fresh in the memory of everyone and finish the presentation of this videotape before the court will allow you to cross-examine the first cameraman of ABS-CBN.
Okay then, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Madam Witness, please remain standing. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding?
Opo.
So help you God.
Proceed.
Madam Witness, please state your name and other personal circumstances for the record.
Ako po si Rochelle Inoncilio Mendez, Head ng News Library of ABS-CBN.
Your Honor, we are offering the testimony of the witness to prove the following material allegations found in the complaint, to identify and authenticate electronic evidence for the prosecution, specifically the compact discs which were submitted to the Honorable Court, and other related matters to the impeachment complaint.
By the way, I'll just make a preliminary question so that wala nang maraming. Nung bang November 15, pumasok ka? November 15, 2011, pumasok ka sa trabaho mo?
Kung
Sa ABS-CBN?
hindi ko po sigurado, pero kung weekday po, malamang nandun po ako sa ABS-CBN.
November 15, ha? Ngayon, nasa ABS-CBN ka na noong November 15, 2011. Empleyado
Pwede
ka
pong
na.
i-check kung anong araw.
Empleyado ka na.
Ay, apo.
Oh, ikaw ang librarian noong araw na yon.
Apo.
Oh, ngayon, ano ang trabaho mo bilang librarian?
Ako po yung in charge to oversee the news library operations. Kami po yung in
Ano
charge
ang operation ng library ng ABS-CBN?
Kami po yung nagre-release at nagre-receive ng mga CF cards,
Nagre-receive at nagre-release.
ng CF cards and tapes sa
Ano yung CF card?
CF cards, ito po yung media na ginagamit ng cameraman pagka magko-cover po.
Kung kumukuha sila ng mga video clip.
Opo.
Oh, sige. Push.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nabanggit mo kanina na nagre-receive kayo ng mga CF cards. Paano niyo po siya nire-receive?
Upon return to base, yung cameraman po or yung driver niya, dadalhin sa news library yung CF card. And then kami po, ilalag namin, lalagyan namin ng material number, and then i-turn over po namin o i-forward sa media management room para po ma-ingest or ma-transfer po sa server yung laman.
Mabalik lang ako sandali. Bilang head librarian, ano yung ginagawa mo? Ano yung mga functions niyo po?
Ako po yung in charge to oversee nga po the operations, in-ensure po na merong enough CF cards and tapes sa mga cameraman. Kami rin po yung naglalag at naglalagay ng mga short description, shot list dun sa mga video coverage.
At sino nabanggit mo kanina na kayo rin nag-receive nito, pagka na-receive nyo na to, sino lang ang pwedeng humawak sa mga video clips or sa CF cards na inyong nabanggit?
Ang news library personnel lamang po.
At kanino po nagre-report yung news library personnel po na yon?
Sa head po ng Media Asset Management Department.
Kayo ang custodian ng mga video clips.
Opo.
Nasa library ninyo yan.
Opo.
Oh. Sige.
Thank you, Your Honor. At pag may kailangan po, sinabi mo rin kanina na kayo ang nagre-release ng mga video cards, ba ang tawag doon?
CF cards.
CF cards. Pag may humihingi po ng kopya ng CF cards nito, ano po ang inyong ginagawa?
Kapag may humihingi po ng kopya, usually po nanghihingi kami ng request. And then, based dun sa request po, kung ano po yung nakalagay doon, hinahanap po namin sa logs or sa catalogs namin kung meron kaming ganung video po.
Tapos kung may nakita po kayo ng ganoong videos, ano po ang inyong ginagawa?
kailangan pa po itong i-approve po ng kung sino po yung nag-cover or yung usually po head po ng news gathering, kung pwede namin i-provide pag may nag-request. And then, pag in-approve po, isa-select po namin yung video na kailangan, then ipapadala namin sa dubbing section para po ma-burn into sa CD.
Sa CD po. At napansin po namin kanina sa video na meron nakalagay na naka-inscribe sa taas. Paki-describe po yung, kung natatandaan niyo po yung...
Property of ABS-CBN.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Yung property of ABS-CBN, ano po iyon?
Standard violator po yun sa mga lahat ng nagre-request po ng video sa ABS-CBN.
Nabanggit niyo po kanina na ang binibigay niyo po ay compact disc, tama po ba?
Opo.
Kayo po ay nasabpina ng hukumang ito. Natanggap niyo po ba ito?
Opo.
At ayon po sa sabpina, kayo po ay naatasa mag-submit po sa amin ng 7 compact disc. Dala niyo po ba itong mga compact disc na ito po?
Yung mga compact disc po ay sinabit po namin sa Senate Secretary.
Pag pinakita ko ba itong mga compact disc na ito, ay makikilala niyo po ba ito?
Opo.
Your Honor, may we...
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Approach the witness.
May pinapakita po ako sa inyong compact disc. Cover na compact disc which was previously marked as Exhibit Octuple T-1. Pwede pong paki-describe kung ano po tong label na nasa ibabaw po ng compact disc.
Yung nilabelan po namin ng video 1 para ma-identify po yung ito po yung number nung nakalagay sa sabpina. So, bali, ina-identify po nito yung about the press briefing po.
Pwede niyo po bang buksan ang compact disc po na yan, compact disc case po na yan? At sa loob po, for the record, may nakikita po tayong compact disc na merong nakalagay na Exhibit Octuple, previously marked as Exhibit Octuple T with the date February 14, 2012, which I am showing to the defense right now. And below that are the words Maidas Marquez, press briefing November 15, 2011. Ano po ang relasyon nitong CD na to sa sinabina po ng korte?
Nandito po yung hinihingi po dun sa sabpina na may mga enumerate po silang mga detalye na nandito po sa CD na ito.
Ito po ba yung video showing the press briefing of Supreme Court spokesman Maidas Marquez on November 15, 2011 ay pinakita po sa atin ni Edmond Losalia?
Apo.
Thank you. May pinapakita po ako sa inyong case ng compact disc entitled Video 2 ABS-CBN, previously marked as Exhibit Octuple U-1 with the date of February 14, 2012. Ano po tong label po na ito sa ibabaw ng compact disc case?
Video 2 po, ibig sabihin, ito po yung number 2 item dun sa sabpina.